out of 10. Very specific and can feel better. Say don't judge me. Me. 9.
No. Starts with the letter N.
Disgusting. What? Oh, I'm soaked. Oh my god. That is disgusting. Ew, bro. What the heck? Cover your freaking mouth, bro. There's no way from sneeze. Oh my god. Okay. Let's start this one. 7 to 10.
Okay, baby?
Yeah, I'm okay, Melanie.
You sure?
Yes. Yes, Melanie.
They're gonna.
I'm
I think
sure.
we're gonna skip. You know how we have it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday sometimes.
It's gone sneeze.
We're gonna skip that. I think we're gonna skip that this time around. That's what I think.
Oh, what?
Oh, peanut allergies. Oh gosh. Thank you.
Oh no, what? Sneeze. Computer. Let me watch it.
Hello everybody, thanks for joining. Can you see me on the screen? Yeah, everybody got the cameras on? Yes, I can see you all down the side there. So, thanks for joining, appreciate it short notice. As you know, if you've read the email, what we're here to talk about is the end of year targets. That's the nature of the beast at this time of the year. Hopefully you can see the graph. Does anybody have any initial questions? Yeah, go for it. Okay. Yeah, you can see if I just move my mouse. Yeah, it's over there.
What are you sniffing at?
Just before I finish answering, I'm just gonna have to take a pause here to sneeze. So try not to keep watching me. Keep yourselves busy for a moment.
Hey, what? Wait, no way! Sneezing? Hey, you sneezed 3 times. Let me see next one. What are you doing? What? Oh no!
Set your alarm because your brother don't have it.
Sneeze. Other than Other than next. Other than the next one. See? What is that? No, that's not sneezing. Swear. Get this sponge. So, sure. Spot. Wiles. What? Boars. Disgusting. What? Oh, I'm so. Oh my god. Nah, that was disgusting. Hell, bro. What the heck? Cover your freaking mouth, bro. Sneeze.
Yeah, one other thing, put those clothes in the dryer in 30 minutes just so I have clothes to wear.
Ew. What? Go wipe your nose, man. Bad. That is real. Sneeze.
Where's that lotion at?
Look.
What the freak?
Go away. Just go away. Don't kiss me. Ew, what? Ugh. Are you ready? Got a last clip. Let's go. Okay. Let's see. Where's last?
Was gekauft.
Thermounterwäsche, die wäre angebracht.
Denk noch mal nach, Lennart.
Gesundheit. Oder wie man in der Schweiz sagt, Gesundheit. Hast du eine Erkältung?
Nein, ist bestimmt nur eine Allergie.
Willst du was dagegen haben? Ich habe alles da. Verschreibungspflichtig, rezeptfrei auch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this. Let's go.
What's he doing?
Einheimisch noch im Tierversuch befindlich?
Hilft irgendwas davon?
Eigentlich nicht. Ich sammle nur gerne.
She keeps doing that.
Thanks for watching. Have a breathe. See you later. Have breathe in. And then later. Peace. Smell my armpit.